You gonna record it?
Don't know what that noise is. It's almost too loud. Ah! What the frig is that? It's too loud.
Cicadas, they have a different sound.
Yeah,
Don't they?
yeah, they do.
It's too loud to be a cicada.
No, when they.
That's
and
it.
just stops.
And it just stopped like that.
Maybe it was a bug orgasm.
A lot of bugs.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
A bug orgasm.
Very happy.
I'm telling you,
Yeah, give me something with
men
your
have a one-track mind. Everything has to do with sex. Even the bug noise has to have sex associated with it. It's having an orgasm. Who thinks that except for men? Here's our lovely house that we're staying in.
And we put this nice soft music
And we put this nice soft music on. Hi, Mama.
Oh, Susan.
So David liked this T-shirt, anyways.
Oh,
Aw, that was good.